Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share a quick update on the Station Airdrop. Their season 2 is almost on the verge of ending. If you already know, they are already listed on a few exchanges like BitGet, Mexi, Gate.io, and more. To qualify for their airdrop, you need to complete verification just like in season 1. As you can see, there are 7 tasks you need to complete to get the airdrop. First, follow their Telegram channel. Check, and it's done. Next, pass the qualification. Check, and it's done. Next, connect your Ton wallet. Check, and it's done. Now for the buy me a coffee task, you need to send 0.5 Ton to complete it. Now claim, and it's done too. You also need to spin 3 times. For that, you can buy this pack which costs around 0.2 Ton. Then reload the bot, and as you can see, I've got 10 spins. Now spin. After completing 3 spins, go back to the airdrop page, click start, then check, and it's done. For the final task, you need to complete the daily combo. So click start, match today's combo, start, check, and it's done. As you can see, it's complete and I'm eligible for the airdrop. For more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.